So first and foremost, before you can get access to your notifications, you can tap on that here. You can see this. So you tap on that, you're going to get access to all notifications related to music you listen to on YouTube, something like that. So these are all my comments and my likes them on music I've been listening to. So now let's move to the adjusting of notifications on YouTube Music. So now let's tap on that here, and now let's tap on settings here. Good. So on the settings, what we are going to do is you can see notifications there. Now let's tap on that. So you can turn them on and off like that. So it's simple English you need to read. So music recommendation notifications, you can turn that off, you can turn it on. Playlist update notification, you can turn that on and off. The simple music podcast recommendation notifications, you can just turn it on and off. And you can also, view your subscriptions and your new batches. So if you do something on here, mostly you get batches. Yeah, just like you answer questions on YouTube, you get notification on batches. You can choose to turn it on and off. And subscriptions, all the channels you've subscribed on your YouTube, you tap on that, you're going to get access to that for privacy sake. I'm not going to do that. And events, notifications, news, and all that, on and off, on and off. So that's it on how you adjust notifications on your YouTube Music app. If you're new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.